Lester Frank.
Cooper Monroe.
It's Lawrence Drysdale.
Gabriela Garcia.
Trumpet player Vicky Zuberi.
Callie Mitsui.
Tajay Wilson. And that is Dana Chen.
Matthew Conti.
Kenton Wilson.
Devin Ledone.
Hillary Moss.
This is Nathan Romero.
That's Casey Finley.
Haley Sandberg.
Sarah Moffel.
Felicidades a Pradium Mario Biswas.
Kiana Laga and Parsa Zade.
Tiffany Tan. Cameron Ianichi.
Nico Remigio.
Sam Van Dorn.
Regina said.
Ivy Wilson.
S. Marcos Santos.
Avery Encarnacion.
Madi After.
The Ra Abusir.
Max Cody. It's Jennifer Pan.
Vivek Kakar. Sophia Tavabi.
Mark Harris.
Brooke Williams.
Ashley Marchand.
Eddie Buenrostro.
Eric Lee.
Dina Lee. Samantha Bowie. Delaney O'Keefe.
Manisa Batarsi.
Tricia Scaro. And Christopher Allen.
What we do every month is we're going to pick one of these wonderful students to win an iPod Shuffle. For those that do not win at the end of the year, what we will be doing is we'll put all of your names into a larger box, hopefully with names in it, and then we will then pick the next size up iPod, whatever Apple comes up with next. So that being said, it is not Mark Payne. However, it is, oh shut up Mark, it is Ashley Marchand. There you go.
Miss Zevie.
That's Kunum Tata from The Lion King, and that was Nathan Lane. And
She got 2 points. How the heck did she do that? Wow. Hi, Bobby. Miss Zevie.
I think that's the Barbie World song.
Did I give her a point for that? All right, here we go. It's called Barbie Girl, not Barbie World. Okay, next song. I'm going over to Mr. Down.
Brown-eyed girl Van Morrison.
That was from the 50s or 60s. That's why I went over to Mr. Downey. Miss Zevie is rocking.
That's Nancy P. by ABBA.
2 more points for the teachers.
Journey.
Not Journey, it is 1 point. That was called what? Funky Town. What was it called? Had a Bad Day, Daniel Powder. All right.
I Love Rock'n'Roll by Joe Jett.
Michael Jackson's the correct person. Do you know the name of the song? It is not Thriller. Billie Jean, 1 point each. Here we go. Nice job.
Another one bites the dust. Queen.
Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses.
The Lion Sleeps Tonight, The Tokens.
I know the song.
Hey, Mickey, she I'm gonna stand closer to Mr. Downey.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue.
Oh, the girl, Ivy.
What a wonderful world.
Outstanding. And do we have a name? It is not rolling in the deep.
Adele, I can't remember the name of this.
Mike Posner.
And
Bruno Mars.
that's Mike Posner. What is it? Cooler than me. We are young.
Fun.
Fun. Here we go. Next one. Wake me up when September ends.
It's Holla Back Girl by Gwen Stefani.
Oh yeah, 2 points. Alright, we'll give it to him. Stereo Hearts, Gym Class Heroes. Baby Justin Bieber, nice. Yeah, we'll give it to him. Katy Perry, Firework, face. Austin.
Poker Face. Hey there, Delilah, playing white teeth.
Nice shoes.
Foster the People pumped up kick.
Foster the People, pumped up kicks. Nicki Minaj, you got it. What is it? Miss TV.
It's Teo Cruz. And it's
It's You Belong With Me, but that's good enough. Last song. You got a feeling about this song? All right, let's have a tally, peeps. What do we got?
The teachers win with 33 points and the students got 20 points.
33 to 20. So in September, the teachers win.
Hey guys, I'm Jared,
I'm Ariel. And I'm Hester.
and we're from the ASB class. We're gonna hold up our hands over the grade levels, and you guys have to cheer as loud as you can for the grade level with the most spirit. Ready? It's our grade level. 6th grade.